Hello guys, welcome back. Good morning. I decided to give you out my volatility strategy today, and if you can learn how to trade this powerful strategy, you can make huge amount of money. I mean what I'm saying. Guys. Okay, I will show you on how you're going to use this powerful strategy to make an entry, understand, to scalp for few hours and you be in huge profit. Okay, we'll be using our 1 hour time frame to know the direction of the trend, and we take our entry in 15 minutes time frame. But if you want to further this, you want to know how you can double your account, you want to double your account, whether it's $3,000 or $1,000 or $100, I can show you a process on how you can hold trade for 5 days. You understand? 5 days, 3 days, 2 days. I will show you how you can double your account just in one trade. No matter what's the size of your account, you can double it in just one trade. So if you want to know that, you can dial me. My WhatsApp line will be below. But in this strategy, I will show you how you're going to use this strategy 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame. It works in all the volatility time frames. I have posted the one of currency, but this one I can tell you guys, I have worked with this strategy. I will even upload a video that I entered trade with this strategy. I've been testing this strategy, been working with this strategy, removing some mad profit. This strategy works greatly. It works powerfully in the volatility index. Okay guys, let's go to the main meat of this training. Okay, can you see this area that I draw? And can you see this? So we are using the stochastic, the moving average. Okay, sorry for those of you that don't have the setup of this strategy, screenshot it guys. This is the first moving average. I don't have much time. Screenshot it. This is the setup. Decided to give this for free. This is the setup. Screenshot it and set it. Okay, then we are using our stochastic indicator window 1. This is the first stochastic. Screenshot it guys, and the last stochastic. This is it. The way you see it, set it the way I set it. Screenshot it. So how are we going to use this strategy to make money guys? Okay, let me show you. All right, first of all, before entering any trades, come straight to your to your stochastic. That's what you will be looking, straight to your stochastic. Okay guys, all right, can you see? First, in the stochastic, you check this is lemon green, but I don't know if you are imputing setting up your indicators. You can impute color yellow color, or the lemon. Okay, let me use the lemon. As I said, if this lemon crosses this green and also crosses the red, but at this situation you will discover that our red stochastic is below. It was acting as a slope here, but in some other cases you will find that no matter how shy you, if the lemon crosses the green, it will also crosses the red. Then our two moving average, can you see it? Our two moving average, it needs to be what? It needs to be below the bullish candle. Can you see it? It's below the bullish candle. Then we know that this market is surely soaring high. Then we put our arrow and we go straight to what? We go straight to our what? To our 15 minutes time frame to look for an entry. And I will show you how you enter in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, you only enter trade guys. We have conditions for entering. This is our 2 moving average and what? And the 7 moving average. And this is our 34 moving average, 34 exponential moving average. We use this exponential moving average to know the direction of our trend. When you see the 34 moving average sloping downward, it means that the trend is a downtrend. But when you see the 34 exponential moving average sloping upward, it means that what? It is an uptrend. Okay, first of all, before you enter the 2 moving average, you need to cross the 7 moving average. Then both the 2 MA and the 7 MA need to cross what? The 34 EMA. So when it crosses at this candle, guys, you will shoot the trigger and your stop loss should be below what? Should be below the 34 moving average. Can you see this, guys? I can assure you that this strategy works smartly. I decided to give you this strategy so that those of you that don't have money, you can grow your account so that you can pay for my mentorship, where I will show you, as I said, how to double any account equity. All right, guys, so for you to know that this trend will soar high in the 1 hour time frame, where we know our directional bias or trend direction. Okay, anytime I said this is acting what? As our trend direction. I say if it is pointing downward as a slope, it means that it is a downtrend. But if it changes direction and begins to, can you see it here like this? I mean what? It is what? It is now an uptrend. So in 1 hour time frame, when you are still holding your direction, your position, anytime price break the 34 exponential moving average and closes above it, you know that what? The trend will keep soaring high. Then you can, if you like, you can shift your what? Your stop loss, that is your trailing stop here at this point. Then you keep holding position. You can imagine how many pips you can make. So there are other volatilities that are less volatile that newly came out. I can show you with your $20, $30, you can trade those, $50, you can trade those volatilities. They are volatility 200, volatility 300, I think 200 1 second, 300 1 second. They are less volatile. With least lot size, you can trade and grow your account so that you can be able to pay for my mentorship program. So this is the less volatility because I have tested them and I have seen them. Okay, our condition for sell entry, guys. First of all, what you will do for me is to come to your stochastic. Here we take analysis from what? To know our directional bias, we come to 1 hour time frame and we take entry in the 15 minutes time frame. I said if you register for my advanced course, I will show you how you're going to flex the daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, to hold trade for numbers of days, for 5 days. And imagine, you will not stay glued to your screen, to your phone. You will make huge amounts of money. You will double your account. You will just enter 2 trades in a week and you are done for that week. And you can imagine the huge profit that you will make. Even an average civil servant, even a government worker or civil servant cannot compete with you. Talk more of people that are working with big firm cannot compete with you because of the money that you will be making, guys. All right, guys, first of all, you will just come. I said our condition. First, we need to check our stochastic. The lemon green, has it crossed the green? Yes, it has crossed. Has it crossed the red? Yes, it has crossed. And where is our what? 2MA. Yes, 2MA is pointing. If it is a sell condition, you will see it pointing above the bearish candle. Can you see it? Then you put your arrow here. You know that you check your stochastic. Yeah, the condition is made. The lemon green has crossed the green and also crossed the red. So we know that the trend is due to what is going to sell. Then we go straight to our 15 minutes to filter our entry. But in the 15 minutes time frame, you will not enter. Patience is very vital. If you're not patient, you will keep dashing your hard-earned equity to brokers. Exercise patience, trade with plan. I always repeat this. Know your money management, know your risk management. It's not gambling, it's a business. All right, guys. First of all, the 2 MA need to cross the 7 MA. Yes, it has crossed, but you will not enter. Wait patiently, guys, till it crosses the 34 EMA. Yes, it crosses. At this point, can you see this? It shows as if it wants to buy. No, it is just what? It's just a pullback. Some of you that know what is pullback or retest, it's just a retest here. So you can enter. You see, it's a, if you miss this point like this, you can enter here, and you have a very tight stop loss. Your top stop loss should be around, you will be around this point. Can you see what I'm saying? Your stop loss will be what? Will be around this point. I usually preach on what? Risk management very well, because it's very vital. Trading is 80 or 90% psychology. As I was said, your psychology is really needed in this business. It's just for you to find a strategy that suits your trading pattern. So your psychology and your risk management is very vital. Your stop loss should be above here. Then imagine how many pips you will make. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? The market is selling, has been selling and selling and selling. Okay, I said again, in the 1 hour time frame, if we see price crosses this 34 exponential moving average, it crosses it below, we know that what? Can you see this? The 34 EMA is sloping downward. We know that market is going to sell for a certain amount of time. So can you see this, guy? Imagine how many pips you will make. Imagine how many pips, guys. Imagine how many pips. Imagine how many pips you make. 55,249 pips. Okay, let me show you guys the, okay, this is the volatility I was talking about, that are less volatile. Can you see it, guys? Volatility 200, volatility 300, they are less volatile, guys. 300 1 second, 200 1 second, they are less volatile, guys. So guys, I can tell you the best way of understanding this strategy is watching it over and over again till you understand every bit of thing that I've been said. Can you see this, guys? The strategy works. Can you see it crosses? Can you see it crosses? The lemon crosses the green here, and it crosses the what? It crosses our what? Our red at this point. So you can enter position here. Let me show you. This strategy works everywhere. What I'm giving you is money. So it's for you. It's your work to work with it carefully, and you will make huge amount of money. Can you see this, guys? Can you see this, guys? Can you see this? If you enter here, your stop loss will be around this point. Can you see? Or you can enter at this pullback. When the price retests this 7 EMA, you can enter at this point. Then your stop loss should be above the what? Above the 34 EMA. Imagine how many pips. It's still selling and selling. It will keep selling, guys. It will keep selling. It will keep selling. This price, I know price must definitely come to this low. So that's that about that, guys. I don't have much time to expatiate. Thank you, guys. I said if you want to follow my mentorship, you want to know how to use my strategy to double your account, to swing trade, to hold trade for days, to double any account equity, be it $100, be it $1,000, $3,000, in just one trade that you take. Just dime me, hit me now on my dime, and I will respond to you immediately. My WhatsApp line will be below. Guys, so you can hit me at any time. Thank you, guys.